Apple cider vinegar can help you say goodbye to acne. Alpha hydroxy acid in apple cider vinegar can help remove dead skin cells, keeping the skin pores free from bacteria, oil, and other particles is the secret behind acne-free skin. In addition, it helps restore the balance of your skin pH, which is essential to prevent breakouts. For topical use, mix equal parts of raw unfiltered apple cider vinegar and water. Add a little honey, apply it on affected skin. Leave it on for 15 minutes before rinsing it off. Do this once a daily. For consumption, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of organic apple cider vinegar to a glass of water. Drink it once or twice a day to improve your skin as well as overall health. For consumption, ease the arthritis pain. Arthritis is a joint disorder in which one or more joints become inflamed. There are more than 100 different types of arthritis and related conditions. For consumption, mix 1 tablespoon of each raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar and raw honey into a glass of lukewarm water. Add a pinch of cinnamon. Drink it once or twice a day as needed. For topical use, dilute raw unfiltered apple cider vinegar with an equal amount of warm water. Dip a clean cloth in it and apply it on the painful joint. Secure it with the AC bandage and leave it on for few hours. Do it 2 or 3 times a day as needed. Assist weight loss. Obesity is a big problem among women. A 2014 study published in Nature Communications suggested that acetic acid helps suppress centers in the brain that control appetite, which can lead to reduced food intake. Mix 2 tablespoons of raw unfiltered apple cider vinegar into a glass of water. Drink it twice daily, once in the morning and again in the evening.